Hi all, Nadine here. I am going to show you how to do a slip stitch in some surface crochet since they're both fairly similar. Um, so I'm starting off here. I've got just a little single crochet piece of fabric going, and I've changed yarns colors so that you can kind of see what I'm doing a bit better. It's such a small stitch. So I've got the chain one done, and I'm going to turn my work. So now, at this point, you would just go into the top and under the top two stitches, yarn over, pull it through and pull it through again, and that's it. It's just you put your hook through, yarn over, pull, and pull it all the way through. And that is all that slip stitching is. Okay, and at this point, it depends on where the slip stitch is on how I do it. If it's going to be like on the end of a piece of crochet fabric, like you can see the way it looks, like you still got the two, and then this kind of comes along the side. If it's going to be like on the top of the fabric, I end up going through the back loop of the piece and just taking the back loop, and it gives it a different look. So it all depends on what kind of look you're going for. And I'll show you here in a second. I got one more stitch to go. And you see it's got that different kind of look from the top and from the side. Like this, the edge looks like it's like it really wasn't touched, sort of. I'm not sure if I'm coming through as clear as mud or not, but there, you can see the differences. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a chain and get myself over to the middle here. And I'll do a surface crochet down the middle of this. And it's just like the slip stitch, except of course you're going through both sides of the fabric. And so you go through the hole, and there's a hole at the bottom of the stitches. You kind of see, I kind of pull it apart and you can see it a bit better. But you just use that hole and you grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull it through. So through and through, just like the slip stitch, but because it's more of being on the surface of the fabric, it's a surface crochet. And that's all there is. Now you put your hook through, yarn up, pull the yarn through, 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 and we'll get all those ends corralled up, I guess. And I'll just pull it through. So you can see that surface crochet, and you can do like words or just about anything you want in it, with surface crochet. And you can see to add detailing, I've seen people do like a faux plaid sort of tartan kind of tartan. If I said that wrong, let me know. Kind of stitch with it, and you can see this is what the back of the work looks like. You would just have that line, and if it was all the same color, you'd never even notice. But then the surface crochet wouldn't stand out all that much either. So yeah, that was it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I think there's one there. There might be one there. There's one down there for sure. And hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I do new videos. And I hope you, as always, have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.